Home maintenance does not get skipped because people are careless. It gets skipped because it is invisible. The jobs arrive on 11 different schedules. None of them line up with anything else in your life. And for most houses, the only reminder is the failure itself. So this pack takes the whole rhythm off the internet and puts it on a wall. 6 print-ready PDFs, 76 pages, plus A4 editions of the 3 you actually print. A wall calendar, 12 monthly task cards, 14 record cards, and a reference guide behind all of it. The calendar is the artifact. 1 landscape sheet, 4 season panels, and every task grouped by month inside its season. So you know what is due now, rather than what is due this quarter. A band across the bottom holds the 9 jobs that come round every single month. Then the first thing you do is cross things out. 39 of the 85 tasks carry the condition that makes them yours at all. No septic tank, no septic task. No fireplace, no chimney sweep. Most homes lose a quarter of the list in 10 minutes. Nothing here is dated. Beside every task sit 3 small tick boxes, 1 per year, and you write the year at the head of each column. A single printed sheet carries 3 years, and when the ticks run out, you print another. That is the whole renewal process. The 12 monthly cards are what you actually carry around. Half page, already laid out 2 to a sheet with cut marks, and each one arrives pre-printed with that month's jobs. This month's goes on the fridge with room to write what you found and space for the tasks only your house has. Then there are 14 record cards for the jobs nobody remembers. The water heater anode, the septic tank, the deck seal, the detectors that quietly expire. 9 cards by system with the interval already printed, plus a home fax card, an equipment card, and a who I call card. Every task also says what it prevents. A checklist tells you to flush the water heater. This tells you that sediment settles into a layer on the tank floor, insulating the burner from the water, and then how to do it. A task you understand is a task you will actually do. It is built to be adjusted rather than obeyed. There are climate pages for cold, humid, coastal, and arid homes, notes for condos, rentals, new builds, and older houses, a tool list, and a plain page on where the homeowner job stops and a trade takes over. And the whole set comes shown filled in, 3 years deep, for a clearly invented household with a 9-year-old water heater and 3 maples that fill the gutters late, including the 10 rows they ruled through, and the deck seal they have quietly skipped twice. A calendar on the wall needs no battery, no signal, no login, and no live subscription. Anyone in the house can read it without being added to an account, and it will still be there in year 3 when the app you would otherwise have trusted has been quietly sunset. Print it, hang it, check it off. Instant download, US letter and A4. Yours to keep and reprint for as many years as you like. From Ardent Workshop, where the files are yours, not rented.